A podiatric specialist from Baylor College of Medicine provides tips to keep your feet healthy. Common problems include hammertoes, blisters, plantar fasciitis, and bunions. Proper shoe selection is crucial, with wide, deep toe boxes for free toe movement and breathable materials. Understanding your foot arch and structure through X-rays can help in developing a care plan. Bunions can be hereditary or linked to arthritis and are exacerbated by improper footwear. Surgery may be necessary. Hammertoes, caused by tendon contraction, can lead to corns, blisters, or calluses, and are alleviated with toe spacers or straighteners. Foot odor may result from sweaty feet or bacterial infections. Antifungal treatments or moisture-wicking socks can help. Older adults may face foot issues related to osteoarthritis, benefiting from shoe alterations, inserts, and potential treatments such as cortisone injections or orthotics. If experiencing foot pain, consulting a specialist is advised for a proper examination and care plan.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great content.